Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt with your Webcast update. A quick reminder where you can find me on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather if you have any questions about the forecast. We're going to be timing things out for you tonight at 5 and 6 o'clock on the news, and just kind of go ahead and give you an early preview of what we expect here. We do have another front that's on the way. You can see that the sunshine, the cloud-free conditions this afternoon have made for a nice recovery. Just checking the temperature here, it's 52 on Red Mountain at the time of this update. Off to the west, though, you see all the rain around Little Rock and Shreveport. There's a cold front that's going to move through early on Saturday, but the thing is, it's going to take that front a while to get here. So we got these little impulses that's going to be rolling along out ahead of this front. The first wave of rain is going to impact us. Looks like tomorrow night we'll probably get a few showers. We're mainly looking at clouds off of this disturbance. This is the first one that will be moving into the area. Late tonight we'll get some of those high clouds starting to move in. I still think we could have freezing temperatures in parts of the area. So as you look at this, again, you see mainly clouds for us through 2:30 in the morning. Now, during the day tomorrow, we'll get a lot of clouds overhead, maybe a little sunshine, a nice warm up into the 60s out there. The south wind, though, will increase. You may notice it's going to be a little breezy during the afternoon. And then here's 4:30 in the morning on Friday, and by that point, we're looking at the secondary system here bringing us some showers and also some clouds. We could catch a bit of a break on Friday, and actually that's going to be critical because if we get some sunshine, temperatures topping out around 71, that instability is going to build up. I think that we could see a few storms out there. Mainly, looks like this next round is going to start flaring up again late Friday night and into Saturday. There could be a couple of severe thunderstorms over some of our western counties. The Storm Prediction Center already highlighting that risk, but the threat even for severe thunderstorms is very, very marginal at this point. So here's a look at 3 o'clock Saturday. We're hoping most of this wet weather is going to move on out of here quickly, and just looking at the weather beyond Saturday, there's going to be about a 3 or 4 day stretch of sunshine, highs in the 70s. A system we're going to have to watch closely, though, moves in here late next week around Thursday. Could also be another round of stormy weather. But here's the severe risk on Friday. You see right there a slight risk that does include Jefferson and Tuscaloosa counties. Lots of 30s for overnight lows tonight. This is based off of one of our in-house models. I still think for some of us, Center, 32 degrees, maybe even Coleman, lower than that. If you're watching us in some of the outlying areas, places like Center Point and Trustful, over towards places like Argo, you could easily drop into the freezing range. Northern Tuscaloosa County and point southward there, we should stay well above freezing. But beautiful blue skies out there, gorgeous weather on this Wednesday afternoon, and that has helped out. That strong high March sun angle is really helping those temperatures and making for a nice recovery. But just after sunset, you're heading out for an evening meal, make sure that you've got the jacket handy because temperatures will drop quickly with no clouds overhead, winds calm. I imagine we'll probably be in the upper 30s in a lot of spots by midnight. But we'll talk a lot more about your forecast coming up on Fox 6 News at 5. Once again, watching that threat for stormy weather later in the week. See you at 5 o'clock.